Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the Oxy. To turn on the device, simply press the power button one time. The moment that you see the text, you're already able to control the device. From there, I want to hit the wing of the app. We click on to connect, and as you can notice, we have already detected the pulse ox. Again, you don't need to wait until the loading bar ends. You can already secure the connection by clicking on the chain icon. Now I'm connected. From there, I could write down a reading as follows. And note that the sending button has disappeared because the app has detected that no sensor has been triggered. So from there, I will preset a reading, and you can read here, value preset, waiting for signal. From that moment, I can insert anything, a pen, a plastic finger, a real finger, it doesn't really matter. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will use a battery. Note that I have a vertical transition or a rotation, compatible with pretty much any size of finger for this one. I'll use the battery. And the moment that I insert the battery, you see the little line. And as follow, now I have a saturation and a heartbeat directly on the pulse ox and a battery. Good. Now I'm seeing this reading, but I want to update. I want to make it dynamic. Without touching anything, I can already input a new reading. You can select, for example, 9886 by simply clicking on the history tab over here. And I can click the send button. And now it shows 98 and 86. The moment that I remove the battery, so nothing is detected, everything disappears. So now you know how to control the Oxy. I see you soon in another video. Thank you.